Alright guys, back with you again. All tied down, as you can see, ready to go home, packed up, all done. Anyhow, let me show you the way I mounted the way I built the new mount for the back seat. And step in here. So if you see over here, sorry about the shaky hand in the video. Okay, over here you can see a ram mount suction cup, 3 suction cups on the one side. Alright, this here, this is a telescopic aluminum tube, comes over to here. It's got this locking nut here, and if you look all the way around to here, there's another ram mount on this side. So both of them go on the window. This locks the whole thing in place. That's pretty goddamn sturdy, if I do say so myself. Okay, so the GoPro is mounted to this tube, as you can see right here. So this tube fits into this little gadget that I built. It's a couple of pipe clamps, electrical conduit clamps here with a thumb screw. This one, you can loosen it up and slide the camera back and forth so you can position it between the seats, and this one positions the camera up and down this way. You can go up or down or position it where you want. This is total trial and error today. I set it kind of relative to where I sit on the headrest, so hopefully the lens of the camera captured something like that. I don't know, maybe that's what it's seeing. Okay, so it's a triple suction cup mount on that side, aluminum telescopic tube here with a lock nut, going over to another suction cup mount on the back here. Pretty sturdy actually, and the rest is just, I made it in my kitchen. I made this I got some pieces from the electrician at work and it worked out fine. So that's it. I haven't downloaded the footage yet, so I don't know if it even worked, or is it too shaky, or what's going on, but it looks like it's going to work. So if anyone has any questions about it, just type it in the comment box below, and I'll try and describe where I picked up all the pieces and the parts for this thing. Most of this stuff is on Amazon. RAM mounts, you can buy them on Amazon. I think the triple mount is on there too. This is homemade. I made this myself. So, and this is just your standard tripod, GoPro tripod mount, screwed in here with a lock nut. Locks it in nice and tight. I've also upgraded all my GoPro cameras to the refuel 6-hour battery. They're the backup batteries, so your GoPro lasts for 6 hours. I upgraded those around Christmas time, so, and it worked on the entire flight. So that's it. There's my back seat mount. This obviously is too long here. I might be able to cut this off somewhere here and just shorten it up a little bit or something. I don't know, we'll see. But that's it. That's my latest invention. That's it for the Aiden's engineering class this morning. So I'm going to break it all down now. I'll probably show you how that comes apart. It comes apart pretty easily. But we'll see on the next flight for the. We'll see on the next flight with all the videos, and I'll also show you the how I turn my Hero 5 session into a camera that's able to record for 4 hours and change. Okay, until next time guys, appreciate you watching the channel, and we'll see you soon. All the best. See ya.